Your word is your wand. The words you speak create your reality. Fear is faith in reverse. Choose faith over fear and watch miracles unfold. The game of life is a game of boomerangs. Our thoughts, deeds, and words return to us sooner or later with astounding accuracy. Change your thoughts, and you change your world. The universe is always working in your favor. Trust in its infinite wisdom and guidance. You can never receive what you have never given. Give love, joy, and gratitude, and watch as they come back to you multiplied. The key to abundance is a grateful heart. Count your blessings and watch as they multiply. Divine order prevails in my life. Everything happens for a reason, and everything serves a purpose. Whatever you impress upon your subconscious mind is expressed in your outer world. The power of the spoken word is limitless. Use it wisely to create the life of your dreams. Your subconscious mind is like a garden. Plant seeds of positivity and watch them bloom into reality. You are the master of your fate and the captain of your soul. Take charge of your destiny with confidence and courage. Life is a mirror, reflecting back to us the beliefs and expectations we hold within. Choose love over fear, faith over doubt, and abundance over lack. The universe will respond accordingly. Every adversity carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Trust in the process of life and remain open to its blessings. The only limits that exist are the ones you place upon yourself. Break free from self-imposed limitations and soar to new heights. The universe is conspiring in your favor. Align yourself with its divine flow and watch as miracles unfold. You are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting your heart's desires. Believe it, claim it, and watch as it becomes your reality. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude, and blessings will flow into your life. You are surrounded by an abundance of love, joy, and prosperity. Open your heart and mind to receive the gifts that life has to offer. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.